Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. In this video, I'm back with another T3 Arena tutorial and we are gonna learn how to add friends in T3 Arena. If you want to add new friends on T3 Arena, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch the T3 Arena game on your Android device or your iOS device and wait for it to load. Once the game is loaded, from the main lobby, tap on the two human icon at the top right corner. This will open up the social tab. Click on add on the left hand side and you will be able to see this pop up. In the search box, type in the name of the player you are trying to add, and once you do that, you will see the search result for the name that you've provided. And now, click on the plus human icon right next to the contact you want to send a friend request to. And right after you do that, you will be able to send the friend request to the person. Now, once the person accepts your request, you will be able to see them in the friend list. You can also connect your game to Facebook and you will be able to add your Facebook friends on T3 Arena as well. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.